It is a mammal. It moves by jumping, carries its babies in a pouch on its stomach. It's an Australian animal. And the answer is kangaroo.
Hi everybody! Now, so tell me, what have you thought of the show so far? It's been pretty cool, huh?
Yes, bernyanyi dan bermain bersama.
Yeah!
Nah, dan pastinya sekarang kalian paham kan jenis-jenis hewan apa saja yang bisa diternak? Ayo, apa kalian bisa sebutkan satu persatu? Berbahasa Inggris? Pastinya dong.
That's right, so there's no need to hesitate. Now, it's nearly time for us to say goodbye for this week, but don't forget, we will be back soon, so keep watching us here on TVE at Sing With Me!